I am Suvadeep Panty. I am the founder director of Sundurban Chemicals Private Limited. As our business grew, we were finding it difficult for managing the HR, then attendance, inventory, manufacturing, sales, and purchase. And after scouting, we found that Odoo was the solution, and Odoo was the solution with the right implementation partner. That's when Ahex Technologies become our implementation partner. And what stood out was the team's approach. We had approached many partners before who were doing the same implementation, but Ahex was a different ball game. They were very accommodating. They understood our problem. They took 2 to 3 sessions to understand our problem and propose a solution rather than propose a commercial solution straight ahead. And they have been very instrumental and helping our team uh, to train as well as implement the day-to-day operations into Odoo. And thank you, Ahex, and we look forward for a long-term journey with you.